हेलो फ्रेंड, माय नेम इज़ निशन। स्वागत है आपका साई ज्ञान सागर में। तो हम कर रहे हैं आज DFSSL के CRM क्वेश्चन अवेयरनेस जो प्रीवियस ईयर के हैं। तो देखते हैं क्या क्वेश्चन थे। इन अ CRM सिस्टम इफ़ द हाइपोथेटिकल रेट इज़ 1.0 देन द सर्वल रेट एट द एंड ऑफ थर्ड ईयर इज़ 1.0। The Dedogram tool is tool used in CRM in conjunction with which of these methodology। तो जो डिग्राम टूल होता है, टूल यूज किया जाता है CRM में इन कंजक्शन विथ विच ऑफ द मेथोलॉजी क्लस्टर एनालिसिस। In the context of the CRM, what does the abbreviation SFA stand for? Sale for automation. In the context of CRM, what does the abbreviation SFA stand for? Sales for automation. What is the name of the data visualization tool that depict a logical arrangement of the keyword with a textual content? The size of each word in the depiction usually indicate the frequency or importance of the word. वट इज़ द नेम ऑफ डाटा विजुलाइजेशन? क्या नेम है डाटा विजुलाइजेशन का टूल का? दैट डिपिकेट अ लॉजिकल अरेंजमेंट कीवर्ड विद अ टेक्चुअल कंटेंट। द साइज ऑफ ईच वर्ड इज अ डिपिक्शन यूजली इंडिकेटेड द फ्रिक्वेंसी और इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द वर्ड क्लाउड। नेम ऑफ द फाउंडर चेयरमैन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट CRM कंपनी। वट इज नेम ऑफ द फाउंडर चेयरमैन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट CRM कंपनी क्या है? Salesforce.com के चेयरमैन कौन थे? वो है मार्क वेनीफोर। द वैल्यू वट इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम अ कस्टमर इज पॉजिटिव वर्ड ऑफ माउथ थ्रू विच ऑफ कैन गेट एडिशनल कस्टमर इज कॉल्ड customer referred value. What value is obtained from a customer positive word for mouth through which can be additional customer called customer referral value. In a typical sales funnel, which of these segment would be largest segment? People who are aware of the product. In a CRM data, a set of information stored in a row of the database are penetrating to one cluster is called record. In case of CRM, what does the RF stand for? RFM model. CRM में RF क्या है? Frequency, recency frequency. A balanced scorecard, a strategy, planning and management system was developed by a two management guru. One of the famous professor Harvard Business School name the professor Robert Kaplan. The balanced scorecard, a strategy, planning and management system was developed by two management guru. One of them is a famous professor from Harvard Business School, name of the professor Robert Kaplan. The process of introducing a gaming ambitions of increased customer involvement and thereby sale is known by what name? It is the online marketing technique. Today is gamification. The process of introducing a gaming ambitions to increase the customer involvement of their sales is known by what name? It is an online marketing technical today, gamification. In CRM database management, both factor analyze and cluster analyze on which type of technical data reduction technique. According to Dash, CRM is an initiative process that turn customer information into the positive customer relation. तो Ronald S. Swift. Although Dash was a develop a Linux program, it is a compatible with Windows. Although Telemation was a develop a Linux program, it is a compatible with Windows. Which of the following option, including relationship between the external stakeholder in the value chain, collaborated CRM? Campaign management tool are important to develop and evaluate the result of marketing interaction. In integration phase, active management and assessment of the product and service take place. The Dash of CRM deal with the communication between company and their customer, collaboration feature. Which of the following option is the correct benefit of SFA? तो provide real time visibility into sale. Option is the correct benefit of SFA to provide real time visibility into sales. Which of the following features of the SFA help to integrate financial functionality of the back and front office of the organization? Contract management of the Optional link to order management, improving financial planning by which ticking sales pipeline. Option is a link to order management to improve financial planning by easily ticketing sales pipe. An effective synchronization system must be dependent on the database. Effective synchronization system must be dependent on the database. Which among the following is defined as an ability to track a response to client in an individualized manner? Personalization. Which of the following is a major part of application and techniques that help to gather, storing, analyzing, and assessing the data? Business analytic. In software based synchronization device connect in software based synchronization device connect directly into synchronizes with own data on a PC. Which of the following responsible response media provide the three different service model of the immediate assistant, different assessment, and engaging with the company by self service call center? Text to speech is a kind of speech production application. It is translated standard language into text into speech. JTPI is the API media binding in CTI. In a web enables CTI interaction with the customer through the internet. Discussion are held with all the stakeholder of the company during the requirement gathering. Requirement list is the input to the scoping and prioritized stage of CRM implementation. Use case outline. Use case outline the interaction between the user and application. Proposal generation is done after prototyping. Customization is a process of fine tuning the CRM solution. The staff of the company who maintains software system is giving the system administration training.